What's up with y'all boys, man? Quick little info about me. My name is Randy, owner of the Chop House 23. Today we're gonna be doing a high table on my brother. We'll do small ass vertical bars, so we're gonna have to work some magic and shit. But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a step by step, a full walkthrough. Let's go. So first step, my brother, aka my client, whatever, I should get a 6 on top. So we're gonna put the 6 on the clipper. We're gonna close it. I always close it. You can always close no matter what, unless the client specifically tells you to open it. So I just do it fully closed. Yeah, just run it through the head. We're gonna run through the whole top. Shouldn't be too complicated. All right, after what we did on top, my client usually gets a mid taper, but this time he's getting a high taper, so we gotta debulk all this right here. Right here, we're gonna do this with a 4 and close it. And if I want to take it short, we're just gonna go down into a 3 after that. Yeah, we're just gonna debulk this right here. When you're debulking, just remember to get just the part that you're gonna be fading. So a high taper goes like that, and we're getting all that in the area right there. Yeah, I should have went with the 3 the first time. That's my bad. But this is clearing it up. So now we're about to set our initial guideline. Always use a brush to see, because we're gonna do it from the bottom of the vertical bar at an angle to about the middle, maybe like the, some of the top of the ear right here. So just brushing it down to get all the extra hair that we just debulked off the canvas. Do that. You're gonna take your trimmer. And I go down with the trimmer instead of up. It's just a less harsh guideline if you go like that instead of poking it out like that. So yeah, so we're going from here to there. Y'all about to see what I'm talking about. After that, we're gonna come in with the shaver. Basically, we're gonna shave all the stubble up to right here. You don't want to go up to the guideline. It's going to leave a harsh guideline. You're not going to be able to take it out later. Stop literally right under there. This one makes a bald fade, Next step in the fade, we're coming in clipper, no guard, lever open. Make sure your lever is completely like that, not like that, the complete opposite. We're opening it up. Then we're gonna make our next guideline to about up here. Maybe like, I don't know how much that is. Everybody's saying like ½ an inch. I don't know, man. Just make sure it's not too big. You're gonna see what it looks like after this.
You can do like the speeding up stuff, like zoom cuts.
Yeah. Next step is basically lever play, dog. Brush that down. I'll do clipper halfway. Yeah, clipper halfway. And then after that, if that doesn't come out, we'll do one more tick and then close, basically take it out completely. But be careful when you do it close. So halfway, we're coming in, we're just flicking. It's all in the wrist. What they told me, what they taught me. Shout out my barber Eddie. See how you're flicking that out. Still there. One more click. Right here we're one lever under closed, and that it's already damn near out of there. Pretty much gone already. For our next guideline, we're gonna be doing the same thing, but now we're gonna be setting it with the 1 guard, clipper open. Make sure the clipper's open. Make sure you got that 1 guard on. This is my steps. Everybody's got their own. But yeah, it's one guard. We're doing basically the same thing we just did. All right, so I think we scratched what I said, man. I've been hitting this vertical bar and it's still coming out crispy, so I'm mainly worried about the other side. Y'all haven't seen it yet, but the vertical bars are smaller on the other side. My bad, dog. Yeah. So I go over, when I make a new guideline, I go over it a couple times just to get all them loose hairs. Makes it easier to take out the guideline coming up. Y'all can see it right there. That right there, that line. That's our next guideline. So now to take out that guideline that we just made, it's gonna be basically the same steps as earlier. We're gonna put on this half guard, the 0.5 guard, whatever you wanna say. And we're gonna do halfway. Same thing we did earlier. Halfway, four clicks, and completely close. So yeah, doing the same thing we did. Flicking out, attacking that bottom line, fading it through, so it all comes together. And me, man, I'm not the most professional barber, master barber, anything. I've only been cutting for like 6 months, but I feel like I got the gist of it down, at least to the basics and stuff. So y'all can take what I'm saying right now and become better. But yeah, so with that being said, this fade's actually coming out way better than I thought it would. You see right here, you still kind of see the guideline. You probably got to go with that, with the clipper close. And right there, I hit it with the close. It's still not there. So a little sauce for y'all, man. Always go under. So if that didn't take it out, the half guard close didn't take it out, what's next? We're gonna do it open. We're gonna do it no guard, open. If that don't take it out, slowly close it. But yeah, now we're coming in. Clipper, no guard, lever open. Attack this line that didn't come out yet. Still not coming out, so we're gonna go one more click. Remember to use the corner right here. Yeah, that's getting it out. Right there, slowly. One more click. Now we're right, no guard, lever halfway right now. So the next guideline, remember, barbering, cutting hair, it's all about making a guideline and taking out a guideline. So now for our third and final guideline, some people go in with the 2. I'm going with this 1.5. This 1.5 open. Basically doing the same thing that we already been doing. And yeah, we're gonna keep going over it again, trying to clean it up. That's that. Brush it down. And as y'all can see, this line right here, that's what we're gonna be taking out. I always go one under. Take out the line, the guideline that we just made. We're gonna be going in with the 1 guard halfway. Then, 4, slowly go up. But yeah, brush it off. Make sure you have a clean canvas. Halfway, like I said, tagging the bottom line. You get your client right. Make sure you know he's out the club, getting all the highness. He's gonna come back to you. We're gonna make it pop a little more. So, yeah, we still gotta handle this bulk, but right now we're just gonna line up the vertical bar and this little top part right there. And then we'll do the bulk. But yeah, get it right there. All right, so for the bulk, there's different ways you can do this. So the dude that taught me how to cut hair, my homeboy Eddie, shout out Eddie Blinn, told me you can go in with the 2 guard. You're basically flaring out. You're not digging into it. You're going straight up. They don't take it out, they go with the 3. Take it up, go into it just a little bit. Kind of slowly blend it in. If it's a little bit of bulk, we're just gonna go in with the thinning shears. Or you could even do clipper over comb. It's whatever way you wanna do it. All right, so now we got the fun part. Basically, I come in with the trimmer. Shout out Coco. And we're gonna line it up. But you wanna dig too deep. This is gonna bring together the back part of the haircut. Straight like that. You see how that crisp it? And then get to the ears. I usually come in like this, fold the ear like that. The fade on all sides. Now we're gonna get to the lineup. So for the lineup, man, I usually use holding spray on pretty much everybody unless their hair is completely straight. Like straight as hell, man. Like it ain't gonna move nowhere. Other than that, I'm using some holding spray. So double that. Come in with your comb. You're just gonna comb it down. Alright, so after that, it's dried up. To test it out, you just tap it, just harden up, then it's good to go. I'll come in with our comb too. I like to start off the lowest point, kind of in the middle right here. Go in, hit the end, hit the end. Take the razor, and then I usually get some shaving gel. If you use shaving cream, if you will, put a little shaving gel right there on your hand. Then we're just gonna put some on the bar right here. Just gonna fold it up. Tell your client, look to the right. Here. Just make that pop real quick. So right now I got this trap house set up right now, so I don't got a recliner chair. You're just gonna come in, lift the eyebrow, or just cleaning them up. Clean them up. Then come behind them and get all this stuff right there. Just like that. Man, get the uni, lift that up. Alright, so the end cap is gonna clean your client off. Make sure there ain't no hair on them. All that's off. Then come in with this aftershave. Go ahead with the aftershave. That shit's spicy. Mix that whole with some Hennessy.
Holy shit.
You're gonna hand the mirror to your client, let him look at the cut and everything, tell him what he thinks.
Tell me I ain't fresh. Tell me I ain't fresh.
You good?
Fine.
All right, thank y'all for tuning in and watching my first YouTube tutorial. I got some more content coming out real soon, man. So y'all subscribe and just be ready for that new content rolling in. Probably should start doing like day in the life of a barber vlog. I'm still in barber school, so I might do some barber school vlogs and more tutorials. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all, man.